Jackson Airport, Midtown, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Candler McAfee, Druid Hills, Sweet Auburn, Piedmont Park, Cascade Heights, Lakewood Park, Campbellton, Conley, and East Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Significant weather advisory for North Fulton, Eastern Douglas, Northwestern Clayton, Southwestern DeKalb, and South Fulton counties until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
They're pretty early.
2:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A strong thunderstorm was over Fairburn, Oregon, 13 miles northwest of Fayetteville.
No valid watches.
At 30 miles per hour.
Come on. Oh, here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 298, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Georgia: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. At 3 p.m. in Atlanta, thunder